Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. It's great to have you back on our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that has left countless drivers puzzled, the perplexing, how to fix service electronic stability control warning. Whether you're a DIY aficionado with a toolkit at the ready, or simply someone who wants to gain a deeper insight into your vehicle's inner workings, you've landed at the right spot. In this video is your all-access pass to a comprehensive guide that unravels the mystery behind this warning and equips you to tackle it head-on. Understanding the warning. Before we get our hands dirty, let's take a moment to understand the basics. The Service Electronic Stability Control warning is your car's sophisticated way of communicating that there's a hiccup in its electronic stability control system. This system is a marvel of engineering that comes into play when your car needs to maintain stability in challenging road conditions. Prioritize safety. A friendly reminder, safety first. When working on your car, always choose a well-ventilated workspace and ensure you're donning the appropriate safety gear. If any step feels unfamiliar or overwhelming, don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic who can guide you safely through the process. Step-by-step guide. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Step 1. Diagnosis. Grab yourself a trusty diagnostic scanner. These handy devices are readily available online or at your local auto parts store. Plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, usually located beneath the dashboard. The scanner will do its magic, retrieving error codes that hold the key to understanding the issue at hand. Now, let's move on to Step 2, the ABS sensors. These unsung heroes are often located near your car's wheels, and they're pivotal to the proper functioning of the stability control system. Inspect them closely for any signs of damage or corrosion. If they're merely dirty, a gentle cleaning might be all that's needed to set things right. In Step 3, turn your focus to the wheel speed sensors and tone rings. These components play a crucial role in measuring the speed of each wheel individually, allowing the system to respond effectively. You'll usually find them near the wheel hubs. If they're dirty or damaged, they could be the culprits triggering the warning. In that case, a thorough cleaning or a replacement might be in order. Step 4. Let's investigate the fuses. Sometimes, a single blown fuse can be the source of all your stability control troubles. Your car's manual will be your guide to locating the fuse box, and from there, you can identify the fuses that are relevant to this issue. Step 5. The unsung heroes, the wheel bearings. These often overlooked parts play a direct role in your car's stability control system. To assess them, jack up each wheel and give it a spin. Listen closely for any unusual sounds, such as grinding or rumbling. If you notice these sounds, it's time to consider replacing the wheel bearings. Step 6. Tap into the boundless resources of the internet. When facing a roadblock, don't hesitate to explore the online realm. A simple search combining your car's make, model, year, and the warning message can lead you to forums, videos, and guides tailored to your exact issue. Lastly, Step 7. When all else fails, seek professional expertise. Remember, electronic issues can be complex beasts. If you've exhausted all options and find yourself at a crossroads, a skilled mechanic can provide the guidance and expertise needed to get your vehicle back on track. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to addressing the Service Electronic Stability Control warning. As you venture into troubleshooting, keep in mind that patience and determination are your allies. While the inner workings of cars might seem intricate, armed with knowledge and the right tools, you're well equipped to tackle a range of challenges. If you found this video enlightening and valuable, show us your support by smashing that like button, subscribing to our channel for more insightful car tips and comprehensive guides, and be sure to share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. Until we meet again, drive safely, keep that curiosity alive, and savor every moment behind the wheel.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.